So let's understand the prompt in AI. And this ChatGPT use Gerson. Every time ChatGPT use Gerson. And we give the prompt. But basic prompt दिँदाखेरि चाहिँ के गर्छ ChatGPT ले basic answer दिन्छ. But thoughtful prompt दियो भने thoughtful answer दिन्छ. It means that it is not just about answering questions. It about embracing an ideas, expanding upon it. I want to think of prompt engineering on getting the most out of ChatGPT. It means that a basic prompt leads basic answers and thoughtful prompts lead thoughtful answers. Then understanding the what is prompts. Prompt means is not just questions thrown into the void, expecting an answers. It is carefully crafted with each word, pivotal in guiding the responses. There are such steps to understand the prompt in AI. First one is instruction, context, input data, and output format. Instruction means the instruction tells the AI what tasks to perform, like generating text, answering a questions, or completing an analysis. Like that, context. Providing relevant context helps the AI understand the background and purpose of the task. And input data. What is input data? Like specifying input data gives the AI the specific informations it needs to process and generate the output. So, output format. How you want the AI response to be structured. Defining the desired output format ensures the AI response is structured in the way you need, like paragraph or in a bullet point or in a specific templates. It means that crafting effective prompts is crucial for getting the most out of the AI models and achieving your desired outcomes. So let's see how crafting effective prompts, how to write effective prompts. There are such steps to write a good prompts. You can see writing a good prompts in an art and a science. It's about providing clarity and precision to guide the AI towards the desired outcome. Following this step to master prompt engineering. First of all, you should have defined your goal clearly, that what you want the AI to achieve. Be specific and specify the format. What you want, make what you want, like in a list or in a paragraph, in a code or table format, and assign a role to AI. Act as a role, like the marketing consultant or AI engineering. So tell the AI to act as an expert, so it can reflect your answers in a thoughtful way. Provide the context, offer background, information relevant to your request. Include examples. Show the AI what you expect with a few relevant examples. Set the tone and scope. Indicate desired tone, like the professionals or casuals, and how broad or narrow the response should be. Add restrictions. Specify what the AI should avoid or include. Do not use jargon. Now let's see with the examples how to write a good prompts. Go to the ChatGPT, and I think you already logged in, everyone. Just a minute. Okay. Let's see the prompt, how I write. Act as a professional resume reviewer. I have written a resume for a software engineering internship, and I want detailed feedback on how to improve it. Please focus on clarity, relevance to the job, and grammar. Share your feedback in a bullet point list. Use a helpful but professional tone. Do not rewrite the resume, just give the suggestions. It means that how it follow the 7 steps. Look at it here. Define your goal clearly. It means that I want detailed feedback on how to improve my resume. I want detailed feedback on how to improve my resume. And specify the format. Share your feedback in a bullet point list. Share your feedback in a bullet point list. It indicates the specify the format. And assign a role into the AI. Act as a professional resume reviewer. That I assign a role to the AI as a professional resume reviewer and provide context. This is a resume for a software engineering internship. I have written a resume for a software engineering internship that provide the context. So, include the examples. It is optional. In this case, you could add a sample bullet point or the resume sections and set the tone or scope. That means I have written use a helpful but professional tone and add the restrictions. Do not rewrite the resume, just keep the suggestion. This is the steps to write the proper format. Then let's run it. See, it gives that this is the way to write the proper format. You should follow the 7 steps. Absolutely, I would happy to review your resume. Please upload or paste the text of resume here. I will provide detailed feedback in a professional bullet point format focusing on clarity, relevance, grammar, and mechanics. That means when you upload your resumes, it will give you clarity, relevance, and grammars and mechanisms. So, now let's dive into the AI tools. There are different AI tools. That means there are text-based AI tools, media and visual AI tools, AI for the presentations and slides, automations and code AI tools that you will learn today. So, text-based AI tools. Text-based AI tools are powerful assistant. Yeah, powerful assistant for writing, summarizing, and generating context. They can streamline workflow and boost creativity in various applications. You can see the text-based AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Studio AI, Cloudy AI, Perplexity AI. Now, let's dive into each tools. Everyone knows the ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates the human-like text for various purposes, including blog writing, creative content, and summarizations. It means that it is an advanced language model by the OpenAI. So what you can do here, you can write a blog, stories, or a script. You can summarize the document and articles. You can also draft the emails or reports. You can learn and revise topics. Just like that. ChatGPT is one of the most useful that generates the human-like text for the various purposes. Now, let's see the Google Studio AI. Google Studio AI say it is the multimodal AI developed by the Google, that is Gemini, capable of understanding and generating text, image, audio, and more diverse tasks. So, let's hear Google Studio AI मा चाहिँ के गर्न सकिन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ different sectors are so that you can chat like Google Studio. Welcome to the Google AI Studio that you can generate the URL content tools, that you can generate the text from the URL context tools and native speech generations also. And you can also streams that you can talk with the Google Gemini, webcam or share पनि गर्न सकिन्छ, screen share पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. And best things is you can generate the media. It means that you can generate the image, Lyria real time that interactively create, control and perform music in the moments. Like Vio भन्ने एउटा AI tools पनि छ जसमा चाहिँ तिमीहरूले लाइक अहिले चाहिँ 6 सेकेन्डको भिडियोहरू जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छौ Vio 3 बाट एन्ड जेमिनाई स्पिच जेनेरेसन्सहरू पनि छ जेमिनाई इमेज जेनेरेसन्सहरू पनि छ बिल्ड भन्ने कुरा छ यहाँनिर चाहिँ तिमीहरूले आफ्नो एप पनि बिल्ड गर्न सक्छौ यहाँबाट स्टार्ट फ्रम द टेम्पलेट्स लाइक डिफ्रेन्ट यहाँबाट चाहिँ तिमीले एपहरू बिल्ड गर्न सक्छौ जस्ट लाइक द्याट फर एक्जाम्पल सपोज okay first let's see with the app build app you can just write the proper prompt then run it then it will generate you can see the it's generating the code very time लाग्छ but तिमीहरूको लाइक प्रपर प्रम्प्ट अनुसार चाहिँ यो गुगल स्टुडियो एआईले चाहिँ बिल्ड प्रपर एप चाहिँ बिल्ड गर्छ यु क्यान सी हियर
गुगल स्टुडियो एआई खुलेको छैन स्क्रिन
खुलेको छैन
स्क्रिन खुलेको छैन
के छिन् ल
ओके अरू पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सको पनि खुलेको छैन कि के छ रेस्पोन्स गर्दिन एक्चुअली
रेज ह्यान्ड गर त लाइक
छैन सर खुलेको छैन
अब छ
अब बल्ल आयो
ओके गुगल स्टुडियो आईमा चाहिँ मैले जस्ट एउटा सिम्पल prompt लेखेको छु help me build a full stack web applications like for the plus 2 grade student to enroll in an AI learning course. The apps will have a user-friendly interface with the registrations, enrollment from where student can enter their name, email, and select the course. Upon submissions, the data should be saved in a database. So once enrolled, students will have access to AI learning model powered by Gemini, including explanation, quiz, and examples. This is the proper prompt I given to the Google AI Studio. Then see here. Let's say you tap proper UI UX build cursor. You can see the AI learning hub. Let's say the app build गर्न पनि help गर्छ every code हरू detailमा हेर्न पनि सक्छौ. Now let's sit with the full name like Neha and with the email address neha@gmail.com and introductions to AI. You can see the every select course what you want to learn. Introduction to AI, machine learning fundamental, everything. Now enroll. It also generates everything. So तिमीहरूले चाहिँ एउटा proper prompt दियो भने चाहिँ यो Google AI Studio ले पनि proper output दिन्छ. So you can see here. Here is a proper prompt what I given to the Google Studio AI. See, when I enroll into the machine learning fundamental, teaching computers to learn, like it gives the content. It gives everything. Now, you can also take the quiz from here. Generate quiz. So, what is the primary goal of the machine learning? To create the program, you can see the different quiz sections also. Here is a submit sections. So, it is the Google Studio AI is capable of understanding and generating the text, image, code, and more tags. That means it also summarizes the website and document. Suppose that, let's say with the image, you can also generate the image. देखिरहेछ लाइक स्क्रिन देखिरहेछ
छ देखिरहेछ
describe your image. What I've done is create a high quality futuristic illustrations of an AI engineer collaborating with a diverse team of professionals in a modern tech office. The engineer is working on a transparent digital interface with AI models and data visuals. The environment should show teamwork, innovations, and technology with screens, laptops, and digital elements. In the background, use a bright professional color scheme and make the image feel dynamic and collaborative. Then run it, then it will generate the image. Look at it. You can generate the image like this. So let's see with the वेबसाइट युट्युबको कुनै तिमीलाई युट्युबबाट समराइज फर्ममा पनि यहाँबाट तिमीले हेर्न सक्नेछौ सो इफ यु लाइक युट्युबमा गएर तिमीहरूले भिडियो हेर्छौ बट यु वान्ट इट इन द समराइज फर्म when you go for the YouTube, just a minute. Okay. Let's see here. तिमीहरूले युट्युबमा गएर कपी गर्न सक्छौ यो URL. Then you can go to get here. Because time the लाग्छ but it will summarize. You can say thinking mode also here. It takes the like 5,46,018 tokens. This video. Just a minute. Okay. तिमीहरूले लाइक आफैले पनि ट्राई गर्न सक्छौ होइन यसरी लाइक इफ तिमीहरूलाई समराइज फर्ममा चाहिएको छ भने चाहिँ युट्युबको कुनै पनि युट्युबको लिङ्कमा गएर लाइक कपी गर्ने अनि त्यस पछाडि गुगल एआई स्टुडियो भन्ने एपमा गएर तिमीहरूले पेस्ट गर्न सक्छौ सो द्याट यदि लङ भिडियो छ भने चाहिँ त्यसले चाहिँ एउटा समराइज फर्ममा चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई प्रोभाइड गर्छ सो look at here now it's thinking process. summarizing the core steps, analyzing data science steps. You can see here, look at it. This video by the Ishan Sharma provides a comprehensive roadmap for beginners aspiring to become AI engineer in 2025. Just like that, here is it is the summarized form AI engineer roadmaps. That means mathematics core ideas that means build the basic foundations of mathematical concept. This is the crucial first steps. Like के टपिक्सहरु चाहिँ के हुन सक्छ लाइक लिनियर अल्जेब्रा हुन सक्छ म्याट्रिक्स एन्ड डिटर्मिनेन्ट्स क्याल्कुलस प्रोबेबिलिटी रिकमेन्डेड रिसर्चहरु पनि दिएको छ यहाँनिर खान एकाडेमी 3 blue 1 brown and programming language Python. That means core ideas. You need a language to implement AI algorithms. Python is the industry standard. So key concept to masters. Python मा तिमीहरुलाई चाहिँ basic data types, conditionals, loop, function, classes and objectहरुको knowledge हुन पर्छ. So here is the recommended resources. Take with team, free code camp on YouTube. Data science को knowledge हुन पर्छ. That means I already said, learn to understand how data handle, manipulate and visualize data. Essential Python libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. NumPy केमा used हुन्छ त? That means it is used for the numerical operations and working with arrays. Pandas for handling and analyzing the data in the tabular formats. And Matplotlib for creating charts and graph to visualize the data. And it recommended the practice platform. Data setहरु चाहिँ के कहाँबाट तिमीहरुले लिन सक्छौ? Kaggleबाट. Kaggleमा चाहिँ धेरै different source, different types को data setहरु तिमीहरुले पाउनेछौ that working with a real world data set. Real world सँग related data setहरु चाहिँ तिमीहरुले Kaggle through चाहिँ लिन सक्नेछौ and you can do these small projects. Machine learning को conceptहरु like supervised learning मा के हुन्छ? That is the label data. It focused on the label data. Regression, classifications, algorithms are unsupervised learning. That means on-level data. That is clusterings, reinforcement learning, also neural network and generative AI को बारेमा छ. So for the Google AI Studio, तिमीहरुले just simple YouTube को link तिमीले हेरेर गएर पेस्ट गर्यौ र रन गर्यो भने चाहिँ उले एउटा समराइज फर्ममा चाहिँ तिमीहरुलाई प्रोवाइड गर्छ. So just like that, another share भइराछ screen.
ठीक छ.
Okay. Another AI tools भनेको चाहिँ ChatGPT. You know about ChatGPT and Google Studio AI मा चाहिँ it is the multimodal AI that understanding and generating the text. तिमीहरुले टेक्स्ट आफ्नो कन्टेन्ट अनुसार टेक्स्ट पनि जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छौ. प्रम्प्ट अनुसार इमेजेस कस्तो इमेज चाहिएको हो, अडियोहरु for and more for the diverse tasks like the code को लागि पनि दिन सक्नेछौ for the summarized term को लागि. And Cloudy AI. Cloudy AI भनेको चाहिँ एउटा designed for the longer, more complex conversations and detailed summarization ideal for in-depth analysis. यसमा तिमीहरुले चाहिँ just like that, I will show you like this is the same code. This is the same prompt I use गर्नेछु for the cloud. So you can see here, sorry, but so for the Cloudy AI, you go for the Cloudy AI and log into it. When I give the prompt that I want to create a website on student feedback system, please provide me full code detail about in HTML, CSS, JS, AJAX, ESP and database. Then it will create the proper, just like that. You can see here proper app. You can see here code also. You can see the HTML code, CSS code, JS, AJAX, PSP, everything. You can see here. Every code, तिमीहरुलाई चाहिँ every term step by step चाहिन्छ भने पनि you can get with the help of Cloudy AI. And you can see the proper app. That means here is the submit feedback, view feedback, admin panel. So this will give you the proper to build an app. Just like this, another is Perplexity AI. let's see the Perplexity AI. What is Perplexity AI? It is the best tools for the student. Like it is a conversational research engine that provides direct answers with the source. यसले चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई with the source पनि provide गर्छ. तिमीहरूलाई चाहिँ just for the like cloudy AI मा तिमीहरूलाई source provide गर्दैन. Just like if you give the proper prompt, it will give the desired output. Just like that in ChatGPT. ChatGPT ले पनि दिन्छ, but Perplexity is a main focus on the resources. It means that it will give you answers with the resource. That means it is a conversational research engines that provides direct answers with source, useful for research and quick answers. That means you can trust it more than random answers and use it for the school work, project, or self-learning. You can see that I have just tried the explain artificial intelligence in simple words for high school students and provide source for the explanations. So, मैले चाहिँ just यति मात्र prompt दिएको छु and look at here. He give the every source. When you click here, तिमीले जब यहाँ क्लिक गर्छौ उसले सोर्स पनि प्रोभाइड गर्छ. सो तिमीहरूले चाहिँ यो Perplexity AI बाट चाहिँ एभ्री डकुमेन्ट्सहरु पढ्न सक्नेछौ. Just like that. उसले एन्सर्स पनि दिनेछ, like how does AI works, type of AI tasks. Look at you. Like articles or different citations or पनि दिनेछ. कहाँबाट कुन पेपरबाट कुन डकुमेन्ट्सबाट लेखेको हो तिमीहरूलाई proper citations पनि दिनेछ र त्यो लिंक पनि दिनेछ. Look at here the documents. That means here artificial intelligence or introductions for policymaker, SSRN and market centers, or through readable paper offering an overview of core concept, the history of AI, and key term, good for high school project and deeper dive. This is the line that used from this document. You can see here. Look at it. Artificial intelligence and introductions for policymaker. You can download these papers and use it. You can also summarize the paper through the help of Google AI Studio, and you can also summarize it here from Perplexity AI also. So this is the most important tools for the beginner, for the student. So these 4 text-based AI tools is most important. That means ChatGPT, Google Studio AI, Cloudy AI, and Perplexity AI. Now, let's see with the media and visual AI tools. Media and visual AI tools. These tools leverage AI to create, enhance, and transform visuals and audio content, opening new possibilities for artists, marketers, or content creators. So, there are different media and visual AI tools. That is DALL-E, that means it generates the image from the text prompt. There is a Canva Magic Design, that it is a power design assistant for creating visuals. So there is also a Pictory that transform long form context into short, seeable videos. And Descript also, all in one audio and video editing with AI features like transcriptions. And 11 Labs, that means it generates the high realistic speech in various voices and languages. These are the tools. These are the media or the visual AI tools that you can use for your own content, that visuals or audio content, and you can develop or create the images, Canva Magic Designs based on your prompt, your ideas. So this is the main helpful AI tools for the media and the visuals. So let's see. Wait a minute. Just think. Look at here. Like Hello.
हेलो हेलो आइरहेछ
Oh,
साउन्ड आइरहेछ
आइरहेछ
आइरहेछ आइरहेछ
आफै क्यान्सल भयो सरी फर द्याट So let's see the DALI E. So I just paste the proper prompt like create an aesthetic high resolution image of two people sitting peacefully on the beach during sunset. They are facing the ocean with a gentle wave, warm orange and pink skies, and a calm, romantic atmosphere. The scene includes soft sand, a few seesaw, and distant sailboats on the horizon. The focus is on the serenity, connections, and the natural beauty. So I just paste the prompt and it will generate the images. You can see the images here. Look at it. Based on your idea, you can write this prompt and generate the image with the help of the DALL-E AI. So just like that, there are the different AI tools, media and the visual AI tools. You can generate the content, long form content into the short term and descript. That means you can edit the video. Okay. And 11 labs, that means it generates the highly realistic speech in various voice and languages. It means that it generates your voice and languages in the short languages. And let's see another most important AI tools for the student. So AI for the presentation slides. This too is one of the most important AI tools for the presentations. Presentation को लागि चाहिँ तिमीहरूले यो दुईटा एप थ्रु चाहिँ गर्न सक्नेछौ. It means that AI for presentation tools are revolutionizing how we create and deliver compelling stories. They automate design, suggest content, and provide templates, significantly cutting down preparation time. These two apps, Gamma app and Napkin app. Gamma app is a AI-powered tools for creating engaging presentations. यसले चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई automatic presentations based on your prompt. Prompt को अनुसार चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई डाइरेक्ट अटोमेटिकली चाहिँ के गर्छ प्रेजेन्टेसन जेनेरेट गर्छ एन्ड यसले डकुमेन्ट पनि जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छ एन्ड वेब पेज भनेको चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई युएयुएक्स कस्तो चाहिएको छ सो युएयुएक्स कस्तो चाहिएको छ भनेर चाहिँ गामा एपबाट चाहिँ तिमीहरूले हेल्प लिन सक्नेछौ. सो गामा एप भनेको चाहिँ एउटा एआई पावर टुल्स हो जसमा चाहिँ तिमीहरूले क्रिएट गर्न सक्छौ इन्गेज प्रेजेन्टेसन्सहरू डकुमेन्ट्सहरू चाहिँ वेब पेजहरू चाहिँ with a dynamic layout. तिमीहरूले क्रिएट गर्न सक्छौ. And अर्को छ Napkin AI. Napkin AI also same for the presentations. But तिमीहरूले यसमा चाहिँ के गर्न सक्छौ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ आफै based on your ideas, based on your word, तिमीहरूले के गर्न सक्छौ चेन्ज गर्न सक्छौ. तिमीहरूले प्याराग्राफ अनुसार चाहिँ लाइक ग्राफहरू इमेजहरू पनि जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छौ. Let's see these two AI tools. Okay, let's see here. Gamma instant presentation, website, and more with AI. Gamma is your free to use. It is a free to use AI design. Partners for creating effortless presentations, website, and more. No coding needed or design skill required. It doesn't need any code or design skill required. So just click on it. You can create with blank also. Look at it. You can create blank also. Now let's create with AI. How would you like to get started? Like paste in text, create from the notes and outlines or existing context. You can generate one line prompt in a few seconds. तिमीहरूले एउटा few line promptबाट पनि few सेकेन्डमा तिमीले जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छौ URL-बाट पनि इम्पोर्ट गर URL or file import गरेर पनि तिमीहरूले presentations create गर्न सक्छौ. So let's see with the one examples. Okay, describe what you would like to make. I just paste the prompt. Create a visually engaging and beginner-friendly presentation for grade 12 students that introduce the topic artificial intelligence. The presentation should include the following slide. यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तिमीहरूको म्याक्सिमम चाहिँ 10 कार्ड्सहरू मात्र जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छौ. यसमा चाहिँ यो फ्री युजको लागि चाहिँ 1 देखि 10 सम्म कार्ड युज गर्न सक्छौ. Or if you want the 15 card, 20 card, you need to pay. So 10 cards सम्म चाहिँ तिमीहरूले जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छौ. What I include here, title slide, introduction to artificial intelligence for student. What is artificial intelligence in simple definitions? Real life examples, type of AI, benefits of AI in education and society, challenges and ethical concern of AI, futures of AI and career opportunity, quiz slide, 3 fun questions to recap the lessons. And thank you, question slide. So I just edit the prompt. And just a minute. Now you can see. You can also edit the prompt. Like you can generate, you can choose the amount of text. Text चाहिँ कति राख्ने, minimal राख्ने के, concise मा, detail मा राख्ने के, extensive मा राख्ने भनेर चाहिँ यहाँनिर एउटा option छ. So you can see here, write for tone पनि छ, like engaging, educational, accessible पनि छ. Output language, you can see here the output language also. And if you want the additional instructions, you can add here and just continue. Just click on, oh sorry, just wait just a minute. Oh, out of credit. Okay, wait just a minute. I will use from the another. Share भइरहेछ, like के भएको छैन?
Just share भइरहेछ.
Okay. Log in. Like that's it. Sorry. Just a minute. Now let's see here. तिमीहरूले like from दिइसकेपछि चाहिँ आफ्नो theme पनि choose गर्न सक्छौ. Dark, like has a different sections about theme, dark, light, professional or colorful. So based on the theme you can generate. generates the presentations. Here, it will automatically generates the presentations for you. यसमा चाहिँ इमेजहरू पनि आफै जेनेरेट हुन्छ. You can see here introductions to artificial intelligence for student. You can see here image पनि आफै generates हुन्छ. And what is artificial intelligence? AI in your daily life, type of AI, benefits of AI. You can see here. Like quiz part pani. So thank you. This is the 10th slide. Okay. यसमा चाहिँ के गर्न सक्छौ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तिमीहरूले न्यू एड पनि गर्न सक्छौ if you want to add another slides. So another slide add गर्न छ भने न्यू सेक्सन यहाँनिर छ. यदि तिमीहरूलाई लाइक चेन्ज गर्न पर्छ, इमेज चेन्ज गर्न मन लागेको छ भने चाहिँ you can just drag and drop it. And if you want the notes, every slide को पार्टहरु चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई डिटेलमा नोट्समा चाहिएको छ भने चाहिँ you can see here and generate the notes. Welcome to everyone to our introduction to artificial intelligence student. You can see here the notes. What you want to, you can also edit. You can also edit based on your word. So this is one of the best AI tools for generating the presentations. Edit गर्न पनि सक्छौ. You can यसमा चाहिँ डाइरेक्टली स्लाइडहरु सबै स्लाइडहरु चाहिँ डाउनलोड गर्न मिल्दैन. सो यसमा चाहिँ स्टेप बाइ स्टेप एउटा स्लाइडहरु चाहिँ you have to download. And त्यो डाउनलोड भइसकेपछि चाहिँ तिमीहरूले चाहिँ पावर पोइन्टमा गएर एभ्री स्लाइडहरु चाहिँ एकै ठाउँमा राख्न सक्नेछौ. सो प्रेजेन्ट पनि गर्न सक्नेछौ अनि लाइक नोट्सहरु पनि बनाउन सक्नेछौ यहाँबाट. अनि त्यसपछि तिमीहरूले एडिट पनि गर्न सक्नेछौ. सो बेस्ड अन योर प्रम्प्ट तिमीहरूलाई कुन कन्टेन्ट अनुसार लाइक आफुलाई चाहिएको कन्टेन्ट अनुसार चाहिँ प्रेजेन्टेसन बनाउन सक्नेछौ. सो जस्ट लाइक द्याट अर्को प्रेजेन्टेसन टुल्स भनेको चाहिँ एउटा अर्को चाहिँ न्यापकिन एआई भन्ने छ. Okay, look at here. Okay, सेम प्रम्प्ट चाहिँ मैले सेम नै राखेको थिएँ. सो न्यापकिन एआई भन्ने पनि एउटा प्रेजेन्टेसन्स एउटा टुल्स हो फर जेनेरेटिङ द प्रेजेन्टेसन्स एन्ड इन्ट्रोडक्सन टु द आर्टिफिसियल फर द स्टुडेन्ट्स. यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई डिटेलमा दिन्छ एन्ड एभ्री पार्ट चाहिँ डिटेलमा दिन्छ. यदि तिमीहरूलाई कुन पार्टको चाहिँ लाइक कुन पार्टको चाहिँ अझै फिगर चाहिएको छ लाइक भिजुअलाइजेसन सेक्सन चाहिएको छ, you can generate from it. You can see here benefits of AI. Just click here. It will generate the visualize. So look at it. तिमीहरूले चाहिँ यस सेक्सन्स अनुसार चाहिँ यदि तिमीहरूलाई भिजुअलाइज सेक्सन चाहिएको छ भने चाहिँ you can just generate from it. And तिमीहरू लाइक डिफरेन्ट स्टाइल्समा पनि चुज गर्न सक्नेछौ यहाँबाट. सो अनि यहाँबाट चाहिँ तिमीहरूले आफुलाई चाहिएको एडिट पनि गर्न सक्नेछौ. You can add other also. तिमीहरूले एडिट पनि गर्न सक्नेछौ, केही एड गर्न पर्ने भने एड पनि गर्न सक्नेछौ. सो थ्रु with the help of Napkin AI, you can create the presentation slides. So another is automations and AI tools. So these tools integrate the AI to automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and assist developers in writing code more efficiently, enhancing productivity across the board. There are like different types of tools for the automations and code AI. That is Zyper, Notation AI, GitHub Copilot. So what is Zyper? Zyper means it is a powerful workflow automations tools that connect different apps and services without any coding, helping teams to be more efficient. And another is Notations AI. Notation AI is an AI assistant built into the Notations workspace, providing helpful features like task planning, Colagi, summarization Colagi, and for the content generations. Just like that GitHub Copilot Vanessa. That means GitHub Copilot is an AI peer programmer that offers a real-time coding suggestions and auto-completion, assisting developer in writing the code efficiently. So these are the automations and code AI tools that helps the developers in writing the code more efficiently, enhancing productivity across the board. GitHub पनि एउटा AI tools हो. Whatever you create the projects. So whatever you create the project, तिमीहरूले चाहिँ GitHubमा गएर राख्नेछौ. So GitHub Copilotमा पनि, so through the help of the GitHub Copilot, that an AI peer programmer that provides the coding suggestions, and it also the auto compares the code directly in your editors. So these are the automations and the code AI tools. And let's go with the empowering your futures with the AI. Like by the end of the sessions, so this is the AI tools. This is the basic AI tools for the beginners. You can dive into more others AI tools also. So text-based AI tools, ChatGPT, like Google Studio AI, Cloud AI, Perplexity. There are many tools also like Kiwi, Grok also, Kiwi AI also. There are different sources. And for the media and visual AI tools, and for the presentations and slides, there are the Gamma app and Napkin app. For the automations and code AI tools, Zyper, Notations AI, GitHub Copilot. These are the AI tools that enhance your futures. So let's see the empowering your futures with AI. By the end of these sessions, you have some knowledge about leverage multiple AI tools, like for the schools project and assignment, coding tasks, and development also, and research and the information gathering. It means that from supercharging your schools projects and coding work to streamlining research and content creations, AI can be the powerful ally. So it also helps to creating the compiling presentations and content. I have already told you, automating the daily administrative tasks. So get ready to unlock your full potentials and future-proof your skills with the power of AI. So with the help of AI and its tools, you can create the schools project and assignment, coding tasks and development, research and information gathering. So this is the last slides of the sessions. That is the conclusions. I hope you have some knowledge about the AI and AI tools. It means that AI is reshaping industries and everyday tasks with the powerful tools. It means that it is used in the health sectors, like in the finance, and like in fraud detections and recommendation systems, for the e-learning systems. It is used in the every domains. That means AI is reshaping industries and everyday tasks with the powerful tools. Like you also export the practical AI tools for text, media, coding, and automations also. And I think you have some knowledge about how to write prompt. Effective prompt engineering is the key to communicating with AI. You also have some knowledge about roadmap, how that guide you learning and hands-on projects. So, And so, in last, keep exploring, stay curious, and apply AI to the AI old problems. Thank you all for your time and attentions today. I hope the information I have shared has been valuable and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or would like to have to discuss this topic further. Thank you again. Like, this is for the today's sessions. So if you have any questions, raise your hands.
सो कसैलाई केही क्वेसन्स छ भने च्याट बक्समा लेख्नुहोस् अथवा ह्यान्ड रेज गर्नुहोस्, हामी यताबाट तपाईँलाई अनम्युट एक्सेस दिन्छौँ। सो कसैलाई केही क्वेसन्स छ अथवा केही क्वेरिज छ भने च्याटमा लेख्नुहोस् कि ह्यान्ड रेज गर्नुहोस्, हामी तपाईँलाई अनम्युटको एक्सेस दिन्छौँ यताबाट।
Okay, sorry. So, to talk about AI can help in fraud detection in finance. How can help in the current situations of Nepal? We are facing more number of fraud cases day by day. Okay. First of all, in the finance, it learns from the past frauds, like AI learns how fraud happened before and uses that knowledge to catch new tricks. And it checks the real identity. It means that AI can check if a photo's ID is real or fake, whether a person is actually present or just using someone else's face or the video. And it also stops the scam messages, like it detects the emails, like message emails, to identify such scams. And it also, like, for example, in Nepal, Okay. Like based on the current increase in fraud cases, including digital payment like scams, fake job offers, loan fraud, mobile wallet misuse, and phishing attacks, यसले चाहिँ like real time transactions monitoring गर्छ. It means that AI system ले चाहिँ transaction चाहिँ instantly analyze गर्छ to detect the suspicious behavior based on transactions amount deviations, like suddenly transforming the large amount and logging from the unusual locations or IP. And it also यसले चाहिँ like old transactions patternहरूलाई पनि यसले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ डिटेक्ट गर्छ. For example, 50,000 like for example चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ 50,000 चाहिँ like suddenly transfer from the digital wallet in Kathmandu to the unknown account in the rural district outside usual business. यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अननोन अकाउन्टबाट चाहिँ यसले के गर्छ ट्रान्सफर भयो, अमाउन्ट ट्रान्सफर भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ ट्रिगर गर्छ एन्ड फाइन्ड आउट द फ्रड अलर्ट. यसले चाहिँ लाइक मेसिन लर्निङ मोडल्सहरूले चाहिँ यसले एभ्री प्याटर्न्सहरू चाहिँ डिटेक्ट गर्छ. इट युज द ट्रेन अन द पास्ट फ्रड टु डिटेक्ट द न्यू फ्रड एटेम्प्ट्स. सो एन्ड अर्को कुरा चाहिँ एउटा यसले चाहिँ भेरिफिकेसन र डिफेक्ट पनि डिटेक्ट गर्छ. It means that AI can verify know your customer data using facial recognitions and your character recognition or ideas or through चाहिँ यसले हेल्प गर्न सक्छ. So current situations of नेपालमा चाहिँ whatever we are facing more number of fraud assets day by day, through the help of the AI, it can identify the such fake cases and so such cases, and after detecting this fraud, it will that the people will feel safer and using the digital finance tools. So in the fraud detection in finance, AI in this way the AI can help. There are 4 types of AI: ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. अरू पनि AI टुल्सहरू छ, not just only ChatGPT, Gemini or others. अरू पनि different AI टुल्सहरू छ, like the I've already said Perplexity AI छ, and Grok AI पनि छ, Kimi AI पनि छ, and DeepSeek पनि छ. There are different types of AI, not only the ChatGPT, Gemini.
ओके, सो लगभग सबैजनाको क्वेसन्स आयो जस्तो लाग्यो. 2टा क्वेसन्स आयो. सो अरू कसैको के क्वेसन्स छ भने च्याटमा राखिदिनु होला, नत्र आई थिङ्क हामीले सबै कुरा कभर गऱ्यौँ जस्तो लाग्छ आजको सेसन चाहिँ. सो कसैको लास्ट क्वेसन छ भने राखौँ. सो नत्र हामी अब ऱ्यापअपपट्टि जान्छौँ, इभेन्टको लास्टमा आइसकेका छौँ. सो फर्स्ट अफ अल थ्याङ्क यू एभ्री वान फर यर टाइम, र सबैजनाले सिक्न चाहनुभयो र यति समय 1.5-2 घन्टा हामीलाई सुनेर, हाम्रो ट्रेनर म्यामलाई निरुता म्यामलाई सुनेर बस्दिनु भयो. निरुता म्यामलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद हजुरको यो टाइमको लागि. सो मलाई लाग्छ हजुरहरूले केही इन्साइट्सहरू पाउनुभयो एआई टुल्सको बारेमा, सो द्याट तपाईँको पछिको आफ्नो लाइफमा एउटा स्किल्सको रूपमा चाहिँ यी टुल्सहरू चाहिँ अब तपाईँहरूलाई एड भएर फर्दर डेजहरूमा चाहिँ सजिलो हुनेछ. सो यहाँ स्लाइडका कुरादेखि लिएर प्रम्प्टका कुरादेखि लिएर धेरै कुरा हामीले कभर गर्नुभयो. सो तपाईँ जुन पनि सेक्टरको हुनुहुन्छ, तपाईँ मेडिकल म्यानेजमेन्टमा जाने सोचिरहनु भएको छ, टेक्निकल, आइटी, नन टेक्निकल, सो जुन सेक्टरमा गए पनि अहिले चाहिँ एउटा हाम्रो यो एआई चाहिँ एकदम मोस्ट भइसकेको छ. सो तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ एउटा यस्तै सेसन्सहरू चाहिँ हामी आगामी दिन्सहरूमा पनि लिएर आउने नै छौँ. सो यसलाई चाहिँ अझै अपलिफ्ट गरेर नेक्स्ट लेभलमा अझै केही अझै बेटर प्रोग्राम्सहरू हामी अझै प्लान गर्ने नै छौँ। सो रेकर्डिङको लागि चाहिँ तपाईँले विद्यादान नेपाल फाउन्डेसन, मैले भर्खर फेसबुक पेजको लिङ्क हालेको छु च्याटमा। त्यो च्याटमा चाहिँ हाम्रो सेसन लाइभ थियो सुरुबाट। सो त्यो फेसबुक पेजमा तपाईँले रेकर्डिङ त्यही नै पाउनुहुन्छ। तपाईँले हेर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ तपाईँले हेर्न चाहनुहुन्छ, इमिडिएटली चाहियो भने चाहिँ तपाईँले चाहिँ त्यो सेसन चाहिँ यो सेसन चाहिँ त्यही फेसबुक पेजमा रेकर्डेड लाइभ भेटाउनुहुन्छ। सो त्यो रेकर्डेड लाइभ पनि तपाईँले हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ भने यहाँ जुममा रेकर्ड भएको चाहिँ हामी त तपाईँले रजिस्टर गर्नुभएको छ होला, हामी सकेसम्म तपाईँको मेलमा पठाउनलाई चाहिँ ट्राई गर्छौँ। सो यहाँ रेकर्डिङ कस्तो छ एकचोटि त्यो चाहिँ म चेक गर्नै पर्छ। नत्र तपाईँले चाहिँ मैले आवर फेसबुक पेज भनेर लेखेको छु मेसेज। सो त्यस्तो पेजमा गएर तपाईँले रेकर्डेड लाइभ हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। सो यो बाहेक हाम्रो पार्टनर्सहरूलाई म एकचोटि सम्झिन चाहेँ। सो हाम्रो आउटरिचको लागि इन्जिनियर ब्लग्सले सपोर्ट गर्नुभएको इन्जिनियर ब्लग्सलाई नै धन्यवाद। र बिर्सिनै नहुने नाम, यो प्लेटफर्म जुम हामीलाई जुन प्रोभाइड गरिदिनु भयो सगरमाथा इन्जिनियरिङ कलेज, सानेपा ललितपुर। सगरमाथा इन्जिनियरिङ कलेजलाई पनि यो प्लेटफर्म जुम हामीलाई यति राम्रो सेसन, मलाई लाग्छ हाम्रो यो सेसनमा चाहिँ देशको कुना कुनाबाट मलाई लाग्छ मैले फर्ममा हेर्दा सुदूरपश्चिमदेखि झापासम्मको एड्रेस थियो फर्ममा। सो भेरी ग्ल्याड टु बी पार्ट अफ दिस इभेन्ट होइन। सो थ्याङ्क यू सो मच सबैजनाले। फर्स्ट इभेन्ट थियो विद्यादानको, तर तपाईँले यति राम्रो माया गरिदिनु भयो, त्यसको लागि सबैलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। सो यो प्लेटफर्म दिनुभएको सगरमाथा इन्जिनियरिङ कलेजलाई पनि, देशको कुना कुनामा हुनुभएका भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ कनेक्ट गरेर यो इन्साइट्सहरू एआईको टुल्सको बारे हामी डिस्कस गर्न पायौँ। सो सगरमाथा इन्जिनियरिङ कलेजलाई पनि यो जुम दिनुभएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। सो यति भन्दै विद्यादान नेपाल फाउन्डेसनको पेज फलो गर्नु होला। हामी यस्तै इभेन्ट्सहरू तपाईँहरूलाई फेरि पनि लिएर आउनेछौँ। सो यति भन्दै आजको प्रोग्राम चाहिँ यहीँ सकिएको म सबैहरूलाई जानकारी गराउन चाहेँ। सो थ्याङ्क यू एभ्री वान। सी यु इन नेक्स्ट इभेन्ट।